surrender and rebel and I choose to live between my way and his way. I choose I am. Between fear and faith I raise my ship. For in his love I fight and never yet. This is not the end. This is not the end. This is the beginning of